What's up, Bounce House School? Let's talk about state agencies, okay? How do you stay in compliance? And how the heck do you know what compliance means, right? Every state's gonna be different, so how the heck do you know? Well, lucky for all of us, Magic Jump actually put together a great list where you can go on their website and figure out what state agencies you should contact. It's a good place to start. Doesn't have everything, but it's a great place to start. So come on over, let me show you guys what that looks like. So you're gonna go to the state-by-state agency list. Come, zoom in over here. All right. And once you click that, it's going to take you to Magic Jump, and you're just going to pick the state that you're in. So I'm in Illinois, and this gives me kind of who I should contact here for inflatable compliance. So I put together a worksheet for you guys because this is pretty important. I put together this worksheet. I call it the agency contact information, state agency contact information requirements. So for each state, just fill in the agency name, who the contact is, their address, phone number, what statute, because like some states like Pennsylvania and New Jersey have very strict regulations, so you have to make sure what their website is, and then here you put whether your state has to be whether inflatables have to be approved by your state or not. Are inspections mandatory, and then are attendance mandatory? So this is a very short video here just to help you stay on top of it. Thank you, Magic Jump, for putting this together, and thank you guys for watching. So if you've made it this far in the video, as always, go ahead and comment your city and your state to let me know that you made it this far, that this has been engaging, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.